And we're getting into the dip. Get in front of the man, start with the left leg, and with this step place your right hand in his left palm. Step with the right leg, rotate counterclockwise, continue left leg, feet together, end up with your right side to the man, and we're getting into the dip, so the rules are the same as before. Bend your right knee, left leg straight, hips go up, and tilt backward. Let's go over the last part again to focus on the hands. After the rotation, place your right hand around the man's waist, the left hand goes on his shoulder, and we're going into the pose like this. And back to the man's perspective after your rotation. Make sure to keep your weight on the right leg, bend your right knee slightly, take a side step to the left, shifting your body weight away from the lady. This time make sure to lead the left hand to the side, it's going to be ready for the next part. Shift your body weight to the right leg, at the same time pulling the lady. Make sure not to pull her onto you, but in front of you. At the same time, put out your left hand with your thumb pointing down, like you're checking your watch. This hand goes between the two of you, then above the lady's head. Shift your body weight back onto your left leg. At the same time, lower the left hand, lead the lady's hand behind your back, place your right hand on her back, and get into the pose. Let's show it without the partner. During the pose, the most important thing is not to lean over the lady. That's the way to lose your balance. What you want to do is to shift your body weight to your left leg, bend your left knee, rotate your body counterclockwise, and straighten your right elbow, leading the lady into the pose. But keep your back straight to create a counterweight for your partner. That's what makes the pose stable. Pull the lady out of the pose, straighten your knee, and we're about to go into the side steps. Let's now count this entire last part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't be surprised because the music is slightly slowing down at the end of the 8, so there is a tiny pause before the next one.